It's hard to say what Samsung is thinking about Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it is way too early to launch the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, every passing day we are getting some of the leaks that were expected a month before the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. The main specs of the Galaxy S23 Ultra are already out, including the camera sample, which we will talk later. But guess what? Galaxy S23 Ultra lineup got a certification. Yes, the BIS certification before the launch. Basically, all three devices of Galaxy S23 lineup were spotted in BIS database, just getting things ready for the launch in Indian market, where the batteries for all three models are certified, where S23 and the S23 Plus will get a slightly bigger batteries, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the same 5000 mAh battery just like the S22 Ultra. Also, the big updates we are going to see on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but S23 and S23 Plus will come with the same cameras and all specifications, just with the addition of a new processor, Snapdragon Gen 2 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. Now that you came this far, consider subscribing to the channel. Before buying Galaxy S22 Ultra or any other device, hear this out. You guys should know about the release date of Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per recent rumors and banners that were out yesterday, Galaxy S23 Ultra will be out as early as December 23rd and will be available for sale on January 5th, which is way earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra launch or any other Galaxy device ever. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a new 200MP camera, a biggest update over the years. But did you guys know that Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP camera sample image is out, where it is a lot improved compared to 108MP on the S22 Ultra. Now the image was zoomed at 16x, so the sharpness on the S23 Ultra photo is amazing. Although Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with the best 200MP camera, the new HP2 sensor, better than any other 200MP camera in the market. Samsung rocked and Apple shocked, where Galaxy S23 Ultra will be one of the fastest phone of next year, better than A16 Bionic chipset, just because of Snapdragon Gen 2. Now it is a matter of days where we officially see the Snapdragon Gen 2 on November 15. The figures are like 23% faster GPU than the Dimensity 9200 and 11% faster GPU than A16 Bionic chipset. Now, Android phones are leading the power race for the fastest phone of the next year. Smaller things may affect the user experience of Galaxy S23 Ultra. UFS 4.0, a faster storage options almost twice as fast, and LPDDR5X RAM, which will be 1.3 times faster than last generation. Samsung plans to sell about 270 million units for the next year, where last year was 260 million. A big number, but this is a good progress looking at how inflation hit the market. If you want to see the benchmarks where S23 Ultra beats iPhone 14 Pro Max, you guys should check this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.